Good evening, friends. I'm coming up with definition of differentiability. A function fx is called differentiable at x is equal to 0, x0. If its right hand derivative at x is equal to 0 is equal to left hand derivative at x is equal to 0. Left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative, and derivative is written with dash. So when it is right hand derivative you have to put plus, when it is left hand derivative you have to put minus here. So at the point x0. So here is the formula. If you want to find out the right hand derivative you will be using plus. So it will be limit h goes to 0, f x0 plus h minus fx0 over h, and it is, since right hand derivative we are adding it, so plus sign will be there. So it is f dash plus x0. Let us go to left hand derivative. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, अब कहाँ प्लस किया था अब माइनस कर दो. सो इट विल बी x0 माइनस h ओवर माइनस x0 divided by h. Limit h goes to 0. This is left hand derivative. So it is written with f dash minus x0. So they have to be equal. Left hand derivative must be equal to right hand derivative. Now let us go further. So differentiability can be at a point, it can be in a set. Now let us discuss one by one. Definition: fx be a real valued function. What does a real valued function means? The value is a real number. Defined an open interval AB. AB is the interval. Look here, AB is the interval. At and C belongs to AB. It means all the points in the interval AB. It can be any point. C can be any point belonging to interval AB. Then fx is said to be differentiable or derivable at x is equal to C if limit x goes to C, fx minus fc over x minus c, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It is like this. So change in value of y over change in value of x exists finitely. It must be a finite number. Thus f dash x can be written as fx minus fc over x minus c. Now let us go to differentiability in a set. A function is defined on an open interval AB. This is the open interval AB. A से ज़्यादा, B से कम. A को नहीं लेना है, B को नहीं लेना है. It will be between A and B. So the interval is open interval AB. Is said to be differentiable or derivable in the open interval AB if it is differentiable at each point of AB. देखिए हर एक point पे it should be differentiable. It means limit x goes to a plus fx minus fa over x minus a. Plus का निशान है right hand derivative. And limit x goes to b minus, देखिए a plus and b minus. b से कम नंबर लेना है, a से ज़्यादा लेना है, between. So limit x goes to b minus fx minus fb over x minus b. Let us go further. Differentiability, look here. The definition is if y is equal to fx is a differentiable at a point if the curve has no break point and no sharp edge. देखिए अगर कंटिन्यूअस नहीं होगा फंक्शन, कर्व में ब्रेक पॉइंट है, पंक्चर है और शार्प एजेस हैं, कस्प है, एकदम sharp curve turns surprisingly, then there arises a cusp, or that is a sharp edge. So again I'll repeat it. If fx y is equal to fx is differentiable at a point if the curve has no break point and no sharp edge. ये मस्ट कंडीशन है. कर्व अगर टूटी हुई होगी कैसे उसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे? डेरिवेटिव इज नथिंग बट स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट. अगर ब्रेक आ जाएगा कर्व्स के दो पार्ट्स हो जाएंगे, दो स्लोप हो जाएंगे एक ही पॉइंट पे. नो, let us go further. Differentiability at a point. We have already discussed a function fx is said to be differentiable at a point A in its domain. Domain के अंदर होना चाहिए point. Domain will be always defined. So limit x goes to a minus fx minus fa over x minus a. This is left hand derivative. Limit x goes to a plus fx minus fa over x minus a. This is right hand derivative. It is a plus here. So both are finite and they can also be written f dash a. Derivative at point x की जगह a लगा दीजिए, at x is equal to a. So this is what I wanted to teach you today. I hope you might have understood what I wanted to convey, and once this is known to you, so this will be used for finding the derivatives by principal method, and principal method is also known ab initio. So we will not be going with that. In +2 and higher classes, no first principle is used. They are direct. So I hope you might have understood what is derivative, what is left hand derivative, what is right hand derivative. Both the derivatives, left hand, right hand, should be same, equal. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. Now, lot of trigonometry will be used, and I will be starting with trigonometry. I will be revising it for you because ये जो trigonometry है ये derivatives की differentiation और integration की जान है. अगर आपको trigonometry ठीक से नहीं आती तो बहुत दिक्कत आती है. That is why I shall be revising what you have studied on trigonometry in your junior classes. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Good night.